Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. I'm Blanca and today I wanted to talk about dermaplaning, in other words microblading or blading. It's an act of shaving your face with a single blade razor to remove your dead skin cells and the peach fuzz, so the little tiny hair, to make your face and skin look like a baby button. At home, Dermaplaning tool that resembles scalpel. It's less sharp, therefore you have to do it more often, probably around 3 to 4 weeks. I usually do every 4 weeks because it's just I don't feel like doing more often. But yeah, because it's less sharp, you have to do it more often, more regular. Dermaplaning is best to do on a very dry skin. The drier the better. You want to use some gentle cleanser that doesn't include any oil in it to remove any dirt and oil from your face before you do it. Because like I said, the drier the face is better. You remove more of the peach hair and more of the dead skin cells. And let me tell you something important. There's definitely no worries that your hair gonna grow thicker, darker, or longer. Okay, woman hair is very fine and thin, and that's how it's gonna grow out. You don't want to use it on active acne or any elevated marks or bumps. For the obvious reason, you're gonna shave your face, so in the same time you will shave that scabs or anything with the acne, and in this way you're gonna scratch your face. So no, there is no risk, there is no downtime. You can basically go back to your regular schedule right after. There's maybe you can get some redness, that depends, but how your skin is sensitive, but it will go away fast. What to use after? After, you wanted to use some gentle cleanser, or just, you don't really need to. You can apply some aloe vera to reduce some redness and irritation. You can, which I like and I'm gonna show you today, use a sheet mask to hydrate the skin, because you remove all the dead skin, all the hair, so the sheet mask was really gonna help to like hydrate your face after. And what is the most important, you wanted to use sunblock, especially if you're going out. You wanted to use sunblock because you just remove that cell skins. You have the new skin exposed, so you really want to use a sunblock to reduce any possible sun damage or sunspots. Now, benefits. First, you're removing the dead cell skins, the top layer of the skin, which is great. Your skincare products get absorbed better because all the dead skins that lay on top of your skin are removed. So all the skincare products that you use every day, it's gonna be absorbed better. If you're doing any procedures like microcurrent or radiofrequency or any other ones, the treatments work better after dermaplaning. You tricking your face into thinking it's wounded and needs repair by creating these microscopic wounds that boost the collagen and elastin production, which obviously reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also prevents from acne because by removing all the dead skin cells and oils and debris from your skin, it's not being trapped anymore. It serves as a primer. what it does, it's your makeup, like your foundation, your powder goes more smooth on your skin, because it doesn't sit on the dead skin cells, it doesn't sit on your peach fuzz. That's why your skin is gonna appear smoother and more glowy. Just like with the foundation, you use less products because nothing is sitting on the dead skin cells or the peach fuzz. And once the peach fuzz is removed and the dead skin cells, you look more luminous and your skin looks more glowy and even toned. And let me show you how I do it. So I have these razors I had before. I'm not gonna use this one today, but basically that's how it looked like. This one is foldable. You wanted to choose the ones that have like a long blade, not something small, because there are smaller ones too that you can use just for the eyebrows. I bought this kind, which is similar. And like I said before, you want to use some gentle cleanser. So what I use is the Roche Posay. This one is gentle cleanser for normal to oily skin. Let me just open this. And I'll show you how to do it. It's just like this. Usually comes with the cover. I use it maybe 2 times max because they're getting dull, so you don't want to use it a few times. It's not gonna be that effective. And what you want to do, you want to always do it in a 45-degree angle, so the closest to the skin the better, and in the downward direction, because if you do the other way you can cut yourself probably more easier or scratch it. And what I do, I always pull my skin a little bit up and then do it. And you want to do a few times in one place and just go downwards. I'll show you now how much is it now from this little part. I can probably see already. Yep, that's how it looked like. It's weird, right? Like a spider web. You want to be gentle around the jawline because it's the bone, you don't want to scratch yourself. You don't do your lips. That's the other part. I don't do the upper lip because kind of like the closer I go to the lips and when the hair is growing, it kind of bothers me. I don't know why. I just can't stand it. And other side. See? That's how it looks like. Oh, it came out. I guess this one is not that good. Look what happened. It just came apart. So yeah, there's so many different ones on the market that it's hard to choose, and it's basically trial and error. So let me show you with this one. This is the other ones that I had. It's foldable, so you can take it with you for travel. Let me finish with this. You have to be careful also with the edges, because they usually scratch more if you don't put it the right way. I did it before. Okay, I think that's it. You don't need to wash your face right after. You can with the gentle cleanser, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sheet mask for 20 minutes. I got this sheet mask and TJ Maxx, and the price is awesome. $6.99 for 10 sheet mask. And what I like about it is, obviously my favorite is made in Korea, but includes the ingredient snail, what is it called exactly? Snail secretion filtrate, and which helps with the skin barrier and hydration, so it's very good. And the other one which I like is portulaca. Can't find it now, it's just so small, but it's made of 100% natural cotton and doesn't include the ingredients. There's no fragrance, which I like it too, because the fragrance is not really good in the skincare. So let's apply it. Oops. This is always challenging. Have to make it bigger for nose. Okay. And the other thing that I have and use it on top of the sheet mask is a sheet mask cover, which is like basically silicone mask. Kind of funny, but what happened with this one, it helps to keep this mask in place, keeps it from drying out. Put behind the ears, and this way, if you hold it for 20 minutes or longer if you want, it's not gonna dry out. How cool is that? Here I am, freshly removed the sheet mask, so a little bit shiny, waiting for the rest of the stuff to absorb. And yeah, that's it. Let me know if you like it, like the video, share with your friends. I hope you're gonna subscribe. That will help me to motivate me, basically, to make more videos for you. Thank you.